Here's a remote start alarm installed on a 2006 Lincoln Town Car, the Viper 5305. Lock, unlock, remote start. If the vehicle is hit or any of the doors are pried open, it will fire off the alarm. I'm going to manually unlock the doors using the key. And for the remote start, we push the remote start button. The parking lights will flash, and then the engine will crank a few seconds later. Remote start alarm, 2006 Lincoln Town Car, Viper 5305V. Pager, lock, unlock, remote start. Got them in stock, ready to go here at Innovative Car Sound. Come by the shop, check us out. See you guys on the next one.